Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now today it's going to be a little bit different video. Today I am going to show you all the clothing items which I got from D-Mart. Yes, actually the place where I reside, basically we are under lockdown, but few of the things have opened little bit. That is, there are time restrictions and all, and I needed some items for my household thing and all. I needed few of the things, so I went to their clothing section, and of course, being Meghna, I have to shop little bit beyond the limit. So I went little crazy. I got like clothing items for me, for my husband and for my son. I got all the things. So y'all can see here are all the clothing items. I will show you each and every piece one by one. Of course, I have removed I have kept everything and I have piled them up in my way so that it is easy for me to show you all. And if at all you feel the nail polish little bit chipped off or something, please don't mind. As you all know, a mom's life. Okay, and if you are wondering which lipstick I am having on my lips, then it is this Sugar Sweat Secret Matte Lip Color. It is in the shade Gorgeous Grey 17. This is the shade. Okay, and I'll just show you the inner packaging. You all must have seen. This is the inner packaging. Right. So this is the lip color what I'm having on my lip. Okay, now we'll just move towards the video. The first is a short. You all can see this is a short. Okay, it is for my son. It is kind of a grey and a red combination. They have it has red piping on both the sides, and it is written Game Start on one of the leg. You all can see here, Game Start. Okay, and it is from the brand Crazy Cub, 9 to 10 years. Of course, my son is little bit like me on thinner side, so 9 to 10 years and all clothes fits very well to him, on him I mean. And you all can see this is the price tag. This is just for ₹99. Right, and all these items, like whatever I'm showing you, they are basically to use at home only. We of course you can wear it outside also, but for all these items, these are actually very smooth material, and I just got especially for the monsoon season so that the clothes get dried very fast. That is why I got all these items. We cannot wear 100% pure cotton thick garments right now. Okay, this is the second shorts. You all can see he loves shorts a lot. Of course, jeans and all he has a lot, so he wanted some shorts. So this is the second short. This is kind of sea green, not sea green, it's kind of a blue color with fluorescent green. You all can see fluorescent green. Like over here they have given you two straps on two sides, and over here they say bowling club on this side. You all can see it is written. This is also elasticated and it is very soft and smooth. Okay, the brand of this is B&G Kids Boys Casual. This is for 6 to 7 years. Now you all must be wondering then how Arnav can wear, but then definitely, as I told you, this fits Arnav properly. I have checked everything. This is for 129 rupees. You all can see the tag. This is for 129 rupees. So this is the second shorts of him. This is the third shorts. It is similar to the previous one, but on this they had on the bottom, the strap was on the bottom. Over here they have the straps on the sides. You all can see red knitted stripes on both the sides. Okay, and on over here they have written football league on one leg. This is black color, plain black, and all the back side they all are plain, nothing. And this is also elasticated, and this is from the again brand B&G Boys Casual, 6 to 7 years, and you all can see the price is 129 rupees. Right, so this is the third shorts. Right now whatever clothing items I'm showing you, it is for Arnav. So this is the third shorts. Now I'll show you his t-shirts also. One second. This is one t-shirt for him. This is a hooded t-shirt. You all can see this is a hooded t-shirt. It is fully printed on front. They have only written New York. they have given some photo of New York. Okay, this is the hood, this is the full sleeves t-shirt. Now the speciality of this t-shirt, it comes with the mask, like the face mask. Y'all can see from here he can just take out his ears and like he can wear it like this. If you want to put up a hood, he can put up over here, and in the middle his face, like his eyes and all. This is like, this comes with the mask. I'll show you the picture, from that y'all can make out. See, this is the picture, right? This is the picture, and I can just tell you the brand, and this is also from Crazy Club. The previous shots was there, the first shot, Crazy Club, and it is for the 9 to 10 years, and y'all can see the price is 149 rupees. Okay, this is the price, 149. So this is the fourth item of clothing of Arnav, and this is the last item for Arnav. This is a sky blue t-shirt. Okay, it is a printed t-shirt. All, even in this also, the backside is plain. I forgot to tell you, backside is plain, but this is a full sleeves t-shirt, right? And this is a half sleeves t-shirt. Okay, over here they say Sound First 79, Bassmaster, Rhythm Psycho, all that related to music and all. And here they have given a print of a headphone. You all can see here a print of a headphone. This is the second t-shirt. It is from the brand BNG Kids. The two other shorts, the same brand, BNG Kids Boys Casual. Okay, 7 to 8 years, and this is for 99 rupees. You can see the price, and in this also the backside is plain. So these are basically 5 clothing items for Arnav. Now we will move towards mine, because I'll show you mine in the last, otherwise they will feel bad. Okay, I'll show you now my husband's clothing item. He just has got 4 t-shirts. This is a kind of a vest, normal. Okay, it is this print, or what you call camo print. Okay, grey, light blue, grey, brown. This is a camo print vest. Okay, it is from the brand Salzburg, Fun in Fashion, made in India, medium size. This is his size, medium. Okay, and it is for 149 rupees. You all can see, this is for 149 rupees. So this is a normal printed one, nothing so fancy. So if he wants to wear something during the night time, then this is basically for that purpose. Now second is this t-shirt. This is a dark blue, kind of navy blue color t-shirt. You all can see, this is in the size a large. Okay, and it is from the brand Yantra, large. Over here it is written positivity is power. I'll just show you. You all can see, positivity is power. Okay, this is in the front. Backside is plain. It is a round neck t-shirt, and this is just for 99 rupees. You all can see, just for 99. So these are basically the casual t-shirts where he can just wear it during the, like when he is at home and he wants to just roam here and there, lounging kind of thing. These t-shirts are basically for that. He will not wear this outside. That is outside the house. This is the next t-shirt. This is in the grey color. All his t-shirts are in large size. Even that camo one was also, I guess, in large only. No, in this I think there was no size. No, this was in medium, because this is a vest. So he got in medium, and this all t-shirts he got in a large size. So this is in the large size, and it is Fun Kiss tees, and it is for 99 rupees again. You all can see, this is a grey t-shirt with blue and red printing. They say genuine, established difference of opinion. That is what is written. This is a grey color t-shirt. Okay, when you check back is the plain black, and it is in the size large, as I told you. This is the next clothing item. Okay, and if at all I am out of the focus or I am out of the camera, don't mind, because right now we are just focusing on the clothing items, that is why. Okay, and this is the last t-shirt for my husband. It is again from the same brand, Yantra, large size, 99 rupees. It is a kind of a green color, dark green color, and it is written unbeatable, let me see, move just running faster. That is what is written. on this t-shirt, and this is again for 99 rupees. All the t-shirts are of round neck, short sleeves, my husband's, okay, short sleeves, round neck, and all back is a plain. Okay, so this is the last clothing item for my husband. So 5 for Arnav, 4 for husband, and now it's my turn. Okay, mine, I have also purchased only t-shirts because I wanted few t-shirts to lounge around it. Like basically all these clothing items are for wearing at home. We will not wear this outside, just to be at home and all. So we need some comfortable, some loose fitting clothes. This is the first t-shirt. Y'all can see it is written riding the retro wave. I'm so sorry. Riding the retro wave. It is from the brand Blue Heart. It is in the size medium, 100%. Basically I get everything in small size. I wear small size, but when I go out and all, that time I need to have small size because I'm very thin and all. And but during the loungewear, like if you keep loungewear in mind, then I purchase little bit loose fitting clothes. So that is why this all are in medium size, I guess. Yes, all are in medium. Yeah, you won't believe last t-shirt, I'll tell you what. Okay, so this is one t-shirt. Okay, it is green color, kind of light green color, and I told you the brand and all. It is for 99 rupees. Backside is a plain. Okay, and on the bottom it is a rounded. Y'all can see like this. The bottom is rounded, the curved, not rounded, the curved bottom for t-shirts. Okay, so this is the first clothing item, first t-shirt. This is the second, same brand, Blue Heart, medium size, 100% cotton, made in India, for 99 rupees. Basically MRP is 115, but I got it for 99 rupees. This is the second t-shirt. Even this is going to be loose for me from here, from my chest and all. This is going to be very loose, but then as I told you, and this is basically a printed t-shirt with the leaves printed. There's nothing written, no message and all, and this is for 99 rupees. It's kind of a light dusty pink color. Okay, and same with the bottom, it is the curved bottom. You can see curved from both the sides. This, it's not high waist, high low or something, it's the similar but rounded bottom. This is the next t-shirt, that is the second last item, and this is the last item. This is the last item. Now you all won't believe, this is basically in the baby section. And yes, you won't believe, sometimes I do have to get clothes from the baby section, because if I go and check the clothes in the ladies department, then the clothes are too huge, too big, they won't fit me. In fact, you can say two Meghna will fit in one clothing item. So that is why I have to look into some kids section for my clothes. So this is the next grey t-shirt, because me and my husband both likes grey. I have few of the grey t-shirt already which I'm wearing, which I'm using, but still I wanted few more grey. So this is like 19 run to win. That is what is written, New York City Marathon. That is what is written over here. Backside is a plain. You can see backside is plain. This is also for 99 rupees, and on this the bottom is normal, simple bottom, no curved bottom. So this is the last clothing item. Yeah, I think I have shown you all the clothing pieces from DMart. I guess you will like this video, because this was, like you can say, after almost 1.5 years. After almost 1.5 years, I went to DMart and I shopped today, because every time I tell my husband, I give him a list and I tell him to get everything, but this time I needed few of the things which I could not like. Of course, he will get everything, but I wanted the few of the things which are of my choice and which are of my selection. That is why I went to DMart with all the precautions, with everything, wearing mask and everything. So you don't nobody has to comment or something that you are not following the norms and all. No, of course I follow all the norms. Of course I keep sanitizer, I keep everything with me. So keeping all the things in mind, I went there. I was just there for almost 1.5 hours. Within 1.5 hours, I shopped a lot. Okay, that is why I think you are going to see part 2 also of the same, like of DMart haul, because this is just dedicated to clothing items, because few of the people, they are not interested in watching clothing items. So that is why this is just for clothing. The next video will be something very interesting. I am not sure which video will be up, either that one or this one, not sure, but whatever. So just stay tuned to my channel, and if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, ask them also to subscribe, and please don't go without liking the video. Your one like, I always say, encourages me to make 100 more such videos, and I get everything by my own money. I never show off anything. It is just that requirement was there, I got it. So please don't comment that you are spending a lot of money. No, I don't spend. As I told you, I went to DMart after 1.5 years. So no, I don't spend a lot. And whatever hauls you all have seen earlier of my home essential and all, everything was online ordered. I never went there. So today I went there, and yeah, so I think that is all. I'll wrap up for today. And yeah, if at all you have any video suggestions, let me know in the comment section, or else you can DM me on Instagram. I'll give you my Instagram handle also on the screen, so you can DM me over there also. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.